Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick smoothie recipe to boost your energy on those busy mornings. Super healthy energy boosting smoothie without any added sugar or milk. A filling and nutrient dense breakfast to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I'm heating my cast iron kadai and into that I'm adding in 3 tablespoons ragi flakes and I'm lightly roasting the ragi flakes on low flame. Ragi, also known as finger millet, is a highly nutritious millet. It is completely gluten-free and it is packed with calcium, good carbs, amino acids and vitamin D. Ragi has a good amount of iron, thus ideal for those with iron deficiency anemia. Ragi is one of the very few natural sources of vitamin D. So do try to include millets in your diet for your better health. Instead of ragi flakes, you can use any millet flakes of your choice. And I'm lightly roasting on low flame. Once roasted, transfer to another plate. And allow it to cool down completely. I have some energy Ladoos which I made a couple of days back and I'll be using them to make this smoothie. I'm using 2 energy Ladoos. You can see the Ladoos are small and bite-sized. Please do check the recipe of energy laddu. Links will be updated in the comments below. To make the smoothie into my blender jar, I am adding in 1 cup or 1 glass of water. Into that I am adding in the energy ladoos. I am just lightly crushing the ladoos and adding in. For some extra omega-3s, antioxidants, fiber and protein, I am adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds. For flavor, I am adding in 1 teaspoon raw cacao powder. Instead of raw cacao powder, you can use unsweetened cocoa powder. Make sure it is organic cocoa powder. Next, I am adding in 1 ripe banana. I am using local variety banana. And also make sure that there are some black spots on the banana. The more the black spots, the more sweeter the banana will be. I am just roughly slicing the banana into the blender. There is no need for any added sweetener as the energy balls does contain dates, and with regard to healthy fats, the energy balls does contain natural healthy fats from the peanuts. And now I'm going to blend this on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Into the serving glass I'm adding in half of the roasted ragi flakes. Into that I'm pouring in the blended smoothie. I'm sprinkling in the rest of the ragi flakes. For an added crunch and for some extra healthy fats, I'm adding in some roasted peanuts. Instead of peanuts, you can use any nuts of your choice or even nut butter. Just make sure that you use a good source of healthy fat. So guys, do try this healthy energy boosting smoothie and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.